guys, we found a place to eat. It's on the water here, and one of these huts. Just going through the menu now to see what we're going to have, and we'll be back shortly. Okay guys, the food's arrived. All yours arrived, guys? I've got the fried rice, and I've got pork here. Roy's got garlic pork. She's got over there, she's got rice omelette, and what's the meat? Pork. So delicious. Jump into our sauces, chili sauces. Okay, I'm going to go cracking into this, and catch us all soon. Ciao. Bye.